You will love the features of this 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.